AI video is finally hitting the mainstream, and it's all thanks to OpenAI's Sora app. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. While Google's Veo and OpenAI's own Sora models have been around for a while, but Sora's social-first approach is turning heads and views like nothing else. Sora was first launched on iOS, then web, and now Android. It combines hyper-realistic Sora 2 video generation with a TikTok-style feed, letting users create and share videos of themselves or friends with jaw-dropping realism. Meanwhile, Veo 3 is tucked inside Google's Gemini app for pro users, and Sora is made for the masses. OpenAI gave it an infinite scroll social feed, cameo feature, and minimal restrictions, letting users generate realistic videos of real people in ways Veo simply won't allow. This ended up giving it millions of downloads and a surge of viral AI content across TikTok, X, and Reels. Sora 2 is more physically accurate, realistic, and controllable than previous systems, and OpenAI isn't shy about positioning it as a GPT 3.5 moment for video. Google's Veo 3 may match Sora technically, but its strict policy and lack of a dedicated consumer app leave it struggling to capture public attention. Users can generate AI videos in Veo, but restrictions on real people make it far less engaging. OpenAI's gamble on social sharing, lifelike cameos, and minimal restrictions seems to be paying off. While the technology behind Sora isn't new, the way it's presented as a fun, viral, and shareable experience is changing the game. Google has the tech, but OpenAI has the plan. And right now, that's what's making Sora the AI video sensation everyone's talking about. Have you created anything on Sora yet? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.